I absolutely love my new Bear rice cooker. Not only is it adorable and looks great in my kitchen, but it works really well. Let me take you through some of the features. The rice cooker can cook up to 4 cups of rice. This is great for small families, gatherings, or entertaining a few guests. Not only can it do brown rice or white rice, you can make porridge, soup, or even cake or reheat food in here. There are multiple settings. The really cool thing about this rice cooker is it has a microcomputer in here that can sense exactly how your rice is cooking, adjust temperature settings, and give you the perfect rice every time. The first time I made rice in here, I was super impressed with how it turned out. It's very simple. There are water lines in the cooking pot. It comes with a rice measurer, and with very little effort, you have perfect rice for every meal. I have used this and it was super simple to clean, which I really appreciate. I love when things are easy to maintain and to use. All of the accessories that come with the rice cooker are dishwasher safe, which is imperative to me. I'm busy and anything that can go in the dishwasher makes me happy. Another cool function, this has a delay start up to 24 hours. You can use this for brown rice. It cannot be used for white rice. I also wanted to mention this button is really nice. It releases. You can see I'm storing my accessories in here. It comes with a rice paddle. I do generally keep the extension cord in here. This removes so easily. The rice paddle, and then of course the cooking instructions. But I love the easy release lid. I love the handle. It makes the rice cooker super portable, easy to carry, take care of, and I like that I can take the And I also like that I can take the cord out, which I can put right in the rice cooker when I'm not using it. Easy for storage, super simple. The LED screen on this makes it really easy to navigate between functions, see what's going on, go between the modes. I absolutely love this rice cooker, and I'd really like to thank the company for sending it to me.